Inside this factory, fresh custard apples are transformed into sweet desserts on an industrial scale.
What begins as simple fruit ends as creamy, packaged desserts.
This transformation requires precision, hygiene, and advanced machinery.
Consistency and quality are key to maintaining flavor.
Every stage is carefully monitored by trained professionals.
Thousands of desserts are produced here every single hour. Digital systems ensure accuracy at every step.
Let's start at the very beginning, where these fruits come from. Orchard harvesting and sourcing. The journey begins in orchards, where custard apples grow under controlled conditions.
Harvesting is done by hand to avoid damaging the soft fruit.
Gentle handling preserves flavor and texture. Only mature, unblemished custard apples are selected.
Substandard fruit is removed before transport.
Proper storage protects the fruit from heat and bruising.
Refrigerated transport helps maintain freshness. Speedy delivery ensures peak quality on arrival.
The custard apples are now headed to the factory. After harvesting wars, custard apples arrive at the factory multiple times a day. Efficient unloading prevents delays that could affect freshness.
Each delivery is inspected before entering production.
Weight measurements help track yield and batch consistency.
Ripeness and texture are critical for dessert quality.
Only approved custard apples move into processing. Any fruit that fails inspection is removed immediately. Every batch is digitally logged for traceability.
Next comes one of the most important steps: cleaning and sanitization.
The fruit is washed to remove dirt, dust, and surface contaminants. High-pressure water ensures complete coverage. Gentle agitation and cleans without damaging the soft flesh. Special brushes are used to protect the fruit's delicate skin. Advanced sanitization kills harmful microorganisms. Excess moisture is removed before cutting.
Automated systems maintain strict hygiene standards.
The next step reveals the fruit's creamy interior.
Now fully sanitized, the fruit moves deeper into the factory. Specialized machines slice each fruit carefully to expose the pulp.
Seeds are extracted to ensure smooth texture in the final product.
The soft, sweet pulp is the key ingredient for desserts. After that, separated seeds are collected for composting or disposal.
Human inspection ensures every batch meets quality standards.
The pulp is now ready for further processing into desserts. Mechanical pulpers refine the pulp, removing fibers and lumps.
Perfect consistency is crucial for flavor and mouthfeel.
This pulp will soon be transformed into a variety of sweet desserts. The pulp undergoes mechanical extraction to separate fibers and smoothen texture.
Filtration removes any remaining seeds or fibers, leaving a creamy base.
Continuous mixing ensures uniform consistency throughout the batch.
Technicians verify smoothness and quality before moving to cooking.
Light heating preserves flavor while preparing the pulp for dessert formulations.
The end result is a silky, fragrant base ready for desserts.
Each batch is carefully logged to ensure traceability. From here, the pulp enters the next stage, recipe blending. Every drop of pulp is now ready to be turned into delicious desserts. In this process, sugar, cream, and other ingredients are blended precisely to achieve perfect sweetness. Each component is measured to maintain consistent flavor across batches. Mechanical mixing ensures the dessert base is smooth and lump-free. Technicians carefully monitor temperature and texture for perfect results.
Gentle cooking brings out the natural aroma and sweetness of the fruit.
This careful blending preserves flavor while preparing it for packaging.
Frequent taste tests guarantee every batch meets factory standards.
The result is a luscious, creamy custard apple dessert base.
Next, the pulp is shaped into a variety of desserts ready for packaging. Automated machines shape the creamy pulp into perfectly sized desserts. Precise filling ensures consistent texture and portion size. Some desserts are prepared as frozen treats to preserve freshness.
Visual appeal is enhanced with toppings and garnishes.
From classic cups to frozen bars, the same pulp becomes many products.
Every dessert is inspected for shape, fill level, and visual quality.
Air bubbles are removed to ensure smooth, creamy consistency.
Even with automation, human oversight ensures perfection.
With uniformity achieved, the desserts are ready for packaging and storage.
In this section, each dessert is precisely filled into its packaging cup.
Seals are applied to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Labels display product information and branding clearly for consumers.
Then, every batch is coded for tracking and quality assurance.
Cold storage preserves taste and extends shelf life.
Careful stacking prevents damage during storage and transportation.
The warehouse keeps desserts at optimal temperature until shipment. Continuous monitoring ensures ideal storage conditions at all times. From storage, desserts are prepared for distribution worldwide.
Every dessert is tested for flavor, sweetness, and texture.
Appearance is just as important as taste for consumer satisfaction.
Precision instruments ensure the dessert meets factory standards.
Approved desserts are carefully loaded for distribution.
These sweet treats are then sent to stores, markets, and dessert shops.
In this process, logistics are carefully managed to maintain freshness.
From the orchard to the cup, every step is crafted for quality and flavor.
This whole process shows that behind every dessert is a blend of technology, skill, and care.
And this is how custard apples are transformed into sweet desserts enjoyed worldwide.